Hi, Dr. Brazilia Lazari with Brazilia Integrative Anti-Aging Center, and I'm super excited this evening. We're talking about women's wellness, vaginal rejuvenation, and we have an expert here, Joy DeTherm, who's going to be really versing us on what we're actually talking about with respect to this amazing device, the Votiva radio frequency that we have. Joy, give me a little insight on the usage of the InMode Votiva as well as the Fractura that's also associated with it.
Oh, I'd love to. First of all, this technology is really exciting. It's radio frequency we've used for years. It really is kind of the new wave of the future. Yes. It's going to be our new way of healing tissue itself.
Absolutely.
Radio frequency, as you know, builds collagen and elastin. And as we start to age, we lose collagen and elastin not only in our skin, but in our mucous membranes.
Absolutely.
So women start suffering from problems of discomfort, chronic infections, uncomfortable intercourse, incontinence, which none of us like to admit, but It does happen, or there wouldn't be $1 billion in cells and pads, and lubrication.
Right.
So utilizing the radio frequency inside the vagina, we're able to cause collagen and elastin to regrow and really give us back that youthful tissue that it used to be.
So the radio frequency, that's a great pulsed wave that it emits microns into the tissue, helping to restore that collagen, helping to restore that elasticity, and you see amazing benefits with just one treatment. I mean, we have pictures to show, and women are just really amazed. They go home, they're happy, they come back with their testimonials, they tell us what their husbands are overjoyed with, and it is the first treatment, ladies, that the men are telling them, yes, go back there, finish off the treatment, get it done. So you can see that it really does work.
The great thing with radio frequency is it's really safe technology. It is staying just in that area, so it's not transmitting radio frequency throughout your body. So it really is safe to do for patients of any age. It really doesn't see color or age or texture or liquid, so anyone can get this treatment done. You mentioned the Fractura, which I love too, because I'm aging, as most of us are, and to be able to utilize a treatment where I can go in once, I think that having that ability to do this alongside that is just outstanding.
So I'm really, really happy that we have this device in-house, Brazilia Integrative Anti-Aging Center. Joy, thank you so much for coming in and really educating us a little bit more in depth on really the benefits and how this radio frequency is working today.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
I love being here.
Well World TV recommends you seek the advice of a qualified health provider before starting any health and wellness program.